Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 5, numbers from 10 to 20. Okay, till the number 9 we have only one digit, but from the 10 we will have two digit numbers, right? So let's begin with this. Let us do some understanding of 10. What is 10? 10 का मतलब क्या होता है? Here we will find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so this is a bundle of 10 stick and we called it 110. 110 का मतलब होता है group of 10. Next, these are some cherries. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is a bundle of 10 cherry and that means it is a 110. So we can say that group of 10 is equal to 110. Here these are some matchsticks. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a bundle of 10 matchsticks. So we can say that group of 10 is equal to 110. These are some bananas. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this is a bunch of 10 banana, or we can say bundle of 10 banana. So group of 10 is 110. This is a 110. These all are 110s because this is one group of 10. Understood? Now turn your next page. Page number 70, where you have to make a group of 10. Okay? यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है? You have to make group of 10. Here I made a group around 10 reddish. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A group of 10 means 110. And these are na extra rabbit without grouping. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are na 4 reddish without grouping. So 110, 4 ones. तो वो बन जाएगा 14. But here later on we will do that activity. But here we will do the activity to make group of 10. So in that you have to take only 10 object inside it. So let's begin with the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And you will group around it. This is called 110. Again, these are some jars. You have to count the 10 jars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And make a group around it. And group of 10 means 110. Everyone has to be keep in their mind that group of 10 means 110. These are some leaves. Now count the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Group of 10 leaves means 110. Again, these are some chocolates. Count the 10 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a group of 10 chocolates. Fine. So we called it 110. Now look at the next page, page number 71, where you will find out counting from 10 to 20. So 10 कैसे बनता है? First of all, we will see 10 कैसे बनता है? After 9 we will add 1, it becomes 10. Okay, ये addition में हमने देखा था. So simply we are doing the addition over here. Here is a bundle of 10 matchstick. So we can say 110 means 10. And this is only 1. So we can say only 1, 1. So it becomes 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. Next, this is a group of 110 and in that we are adding 2 ones. ये एक एक है, दो बार है. So that's why we called it 2 ones. So 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. After 10, 11, 12. Next, 110 and 3 ones. This is a bundle of 10. So we called it 110 and here is 1, 2 and 3 matchstick only. So we called it 3 ones. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 1, 3, 13. After 10, 11, 12, 13. Next, this is the bundle of 10 matchstick and these are the extra 4 ones. 3 के बाद 4 आता है ना, so that's why we took 4 matchstick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 110, 4 ones means 10 plus 4 is 1, 4, 14. After 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So this way you will count the numbers. Now turn your page number 72 where you will find out the continue exercise. Okay. Look at here. This is the group of 10. So we called it 110 and these are 5 matchsticks. So we say that these are 5 ones. So 10, 110 का मतलब 10, 10 plus and 5 ones का मतलब क्या होता है? 5. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, next is a group of 10. Find bundle of 10. So we can say that it is 110. 110 का मतलब होता है 10. And these are na 6. After 5, which number will come? 6. So these are 6 matchsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, 1. 110, 6 ones is equal to 16. So after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Next, 110 means group of 110 and these are 7 matchstick. यहाँ पर नहीं है, you have to draw this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are 7 ones. 7 ones means 7 and 110 means only 1, 0, 10. So 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. So after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Next is 110 means group of 10 and 8 ones means 8 matchsticks. Okay, 8 ones means 8 and 110 means 10 as we all know. So after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, next group of 10 means 110 and group of 9 ones. Okay, so 110, 9 ones means 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. After 10 you will count like this: 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Simply we are doing the addition of 10 tens and ones. Fine. Again 9 के बाद क्या आता है? 10. So here is a group of 10 means 110. Another is a group of 10 means 110. Okay, यहाँ पे change हो गया because यहाँ पे 10 आ गई. तो 10 मतलब 110. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So 110 plus 110 is 210. ये यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 2 tens. Group of to 10. Okay, so this is the way you will write down. Now look at the next page, page number 73, where you will find out this activity. Make group of 10 and write numbers. So that's super easy activity. We have already done in the on the previous page. So let's begin with this. First, you will find out the count the lanterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Make a group of 10 like this. Okay. So again we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So 10 वाले column में 1, because this is the one group of 10, and 1 2 3 4 5 lanterns are left, which is we will write down in ones place. So the number is 1 5 15. जितने भी group of 10 हो वो count करो, यहाँ पे लिखो. जितने भी बच जाए एक्स्ट्रा वो सारे हमारे वंस होते हैं. ठीक है. सो these are some onions. Count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, group it. Again you will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, this is 1 10 and 8 ones, so your number is 1 8 80. Next, these are some baskets, so let's count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Make a group like this. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So this is not these are not 9, so here is a 110, 9 ones, so your number is 1990. Now turn your page. We have a similar exercise. You have to make group of 10 and write down the number. Fine. Look at these are now snake. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Make a group of this 10 snakes. Okay. So here is a 110 and 1 1. So number is 1 1 11. Okay, you will find out here the one group of 10, that means you will have to write down there 1. If you find out two group of 10, that means you have to write down 2 below the 10's column box. Fine. So let's count the season. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Make a group. Okay, so this is 110. And how many seasons are left afterward? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these are 6 ones. So 1 6 16. See, this too will be do by yourself. As I told you how to do it, just try to do it yourself. Next is complete the table, which is quite easy. You have to just write down the number like this. 110 means tens. 110 10, 110 10, 110 means 10 10, 110 means 10 10, 110 11 means 11 11, 110 11 means 11 11, 110 11 means 11 11, 110 11 means 11 11. So this way you will speak the numbers, right? 110 2 ones means 1 to 10, 110s 2 ones means 1 to 10. These are quite important, that's why we have to speak like this. 110 2 ones is equal to 1 to 12. So you have to complete whole the table by reciting this way. Next, on the next page you will get 1 3 13. So how will you say that? 110 3 ones 1 3 13, 110s 3 ones 13, 110s 3 ones 13, 110s 3 ones 13. This is the way. 110 4 ones 14, 110s 4 ones 14, 110s 4 ones 14. This is the way you will complete the whole table. 110s 5 ones 15, 1 tens 5 1 15. See, while we are writing the number, हम उसके ऊपर tens and ones लिखते हैं. Because of this, 1 10 5 1 15. 1 tens 5 1 15. Okay. Next is a 16 number. So how will you speak this number? 1 10 6 ones. 1 10 6 1 16. 1 10 6 1 16. 1 10 6 1 16. 1 10 6 1 16. After 16, which number will come? 17. 1 7 7 1 17. 1 7 7 1 17. 1 10 7 1 17. This way you will complete the whole table. 1 10 8 ones 18. 1 10 8 ones 18. 1 10 8 1 18. ओके सो वाइल मैं अगर बोल सकती हूँ आपको भी बिल्कुल वैसे ही बोलना है एंड यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द होल टेबल द सिमिलर वे 1 10 9 1 19 1 10 9 1 19 1 10 9 1 19 this way you will complete the whole table 2 tens 0 ones 20 2 tens 0 1 20 because यहाँ पे 1 10 and 1 10 हो जाता है 2 tens and there is no 1 so that's why in ones place we put the 0 2 tens 0 ones 20 so this way you will complete the whole table. Now look at here in this we will find out the number from 11 to 20 where 11 means 10 plus 1 means 11. The spelling of the 11 is ELEVEN. ऐसे स्पेलिंग को ब्रेक करना है ग्रुप में और याद रखना है. This is the way to remember the spelling in the easiest way. Fine. You have to break down the spelling in a group and remember. 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. TWELVE. 12. 13. 10 plus 3 is 13. THIRTEEN 13. 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. FOURTEEN 14. Now next number is 1 5 15. 10 plus 5 and the spelling is FIFTEEN 15. 16. 10 plus 6 and SIXTEEN 16. 17. 10 plus 7 is 17. Then the spelling is SEVENTEEN 17. 18. 10 plus 8 EIGHTEEN 18. 19 which is 10 plus 9. So NINE 9 TEEN 19. 20 means 10 plus 10. So TWENTY 20. So this is the way you will learn the spellings and I have already uploaded this PDF on the website so please check out from there and write down in your notebook as well. Look at the workbook page number 97 where you will find out the chapter number 5 numbers from 10 to 20. Here we will first understand the 10. What is 10? 10 का मतलब होता है group of 10 and a group of 10 means 110. मैंने आपको पहले ही explain किया है. We have already covered this kind of things in our textbook but still we will do some of the example for you. See here is a leaves. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. These are now 10 leaves. So group of 10 leaves means 1 10. Okay, these are now flowers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Group of 10 flowers means 1 10. 110 में कोई भी 10 ऑब्जेक्ट का ग्रुप होता है. ओके सो दीज आर ना बिट्स. नाउ काउंट इट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. This is group of 110 means group of 10 bits. One string of 10 bits is equal to 110 as I told you. Now turn your next page, page number 98, where you will find out the exercise 1. Make a group of 10 is, for example, here you have to make a group of 10. So these are some candies. First of all, you will count the 10 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you will make a group of this 10 candies like this, as I had show you in the textbook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 tops. Make a group of it and finish it. Count the 10 quills and make a group of it like this. Now look at here chocolates. So what will you do? First you will count the 10 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make group of 10. Make sure while you are counting, you should cut the object. Okay. It will not create a misunderstanding. Okay. Next is question number 2 on the page number 99. Fine. You will find out the question number 2. Make a group of 10 as per example and write the number. So here what will you do? You have to make a group of 10. So whatever comes under a group of 10 will become 110, and whatever the objects are left which is comes under a group of ones. Okay, so here is a 10 lantern and 5 lanterns are left without grouping. So 1, 10, 5, 1. So your number is 1, 5, 15. Look at here, these are 10 happy onions. Dekho, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 means 110, and how many onions are left without grouping? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 goes under ones column. So number is 1, 8, 18. Or we can say 10 plus 8, 18. These are group of 10 caps. So this will goes under 110. And these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 caps without grouping. So 110, 9 ones is 19. Now turn your page, page number 100, where you will find out this. Okay, now look at here, these are snake. Okay, and these are a group of 10 snake. Count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10, one group of 10, that means 110, and one snake is left without grouping, so 1 ones. So 110, 1 1 is 11, as we had speak earlier. Again group of 10 Caesar, there is only one group, so we will write down 1 under the 10. And how many Caesars are left without grouping? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 goes under the ones column. So your number is 1, 6, 16. See, rest of the 2 example you will do it yourself because I had explained a lot. Now look at the next page, page number 101, where you will find out this, the understanding of the number and their spelling, which we have already covered in the notebook. Fine. So you have to remember the spelling. Spellings are must. ये याद रखने ही है. 1 to 20 के spelling आपको orally आने ही चाहिए, because very soon we will take your oral exam in which I will ask you the spelling. So please don't take it easily and learn it properly and thoroughly. Fine. So let's begin. You have to read aloud and write 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 6, 16. 10 plus 7, 17. 10 plus 8, 18. 10 plus 9, 19. 10 plus 10, 20. Okay, look at the next page, page number 102, where you will find out this exercise. Trace and write down number in each square. So here you have to trace the number and write down number from 10 to 20 in each box like this. Okay, look at the next page, 103, where you will find out the exercise number 6. Do as per example. For example is there 11 means 10 plus 1 11. So यहाँ पे जहाँ पे blank में जो भी missing है वो आपको लिखना है, ठीक है. 12 means 10 plus 2 12, 10 plus 2 10 plus 2. 13 means 10 plus 3 13, 10 plus 3 13. Every time you have to remember the spelling. The spelling of 12 is TWELVE 12. The spelling of 30 and THIR TEEN 30. While you are writing this, you have to speak the spelling as well. ELEVEN 11. Now 15 15 means 10 plus 5 15. 10 plus 5 15 is equal to 10 plus 5. FIFTEEN 15. Next is 17 17 means 10 plus 7 17. Okay, so 10 plus 7 17. Whatever the number is missing, you have to write down according to that. Okay, and the spelling of the 17 is SEVENTEEN 17. That's super easy. यहाँ पे पहले 7 का spelling TEEN teen 17. 18. Very simple. 10 plus 8 10 plus 8 10 plus 8 18. EIGHTEEN 18. Now 1 4 14 10 plus 4 14 10 plus 4 10 plus 4 14. The spelling is FOURTEEN 14. That's super easy. 4 का spelling और पीछे TEEN teen. 19 10 plus 9 19 10 plus 9 10 plus 9. The spelling is NINE. 9 का spelling TEEN teen. Now this is 16. 10 plus 6 16. So 16 is equal to 10 plus 6 10 plus 6. And the spelling is SIXTEEN 16. Turn your page number 104, where you will find out the exercise number 7. Do as per example. Here you have to make a dots or circles and write down the number. Here 10 plus 8. So here you will make 10 dots and here 8 and write down number is 18 and the spelling is EIGHTEEN 18. 10 plus 7. Here you will draw 10 dots and here 7. So number become 10 plus 7 17. SEVENTEEN. Every time you have to remember the spelling, which is the practice you have to do simultaneously. Now here 10 plus 5. Draw 10 dots and here 5 dots. So 10 plus 5 is 15. Now the spelling FIF, not FIVE. हमेशा लोग यही मिस्टेक करते हैं, FIVETEEN, which is wrong. FIFTEEN, which is the spelling of 15. Now 10 plus 6. Draw 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 10 plus 6 is 16. Spelling is SIXTEEN 16. 10 plus 9. Here you will draw 10 dots and here is a 9. So number is 19. And the spelling is NINETEEN 19, which is quite easy. Okay, now look at the next page 105, where you will find out the exercise number 8. Count the beads and write the number in box. Here what will you do? You have to count the beads. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically these are a group of 10. So 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 plus 8, 18. Again, this is a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 plus 9, 19. See, we have practiced that way. 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 plus 7, 17. 10 plus 10, 20. 10 plus 5. So this is the way you will count the numbers, count the beads and write down the number. Here next exercise is count the beads and join with the correct numbers. In that case, what will you do? This is the group of 10 and 1. 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 7, देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 plus 7 is 17. 10 plus 10 is 20. Similar way, you will count 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 plus 6, 16. 10 plus 4, ये देखो 1, 2, 3, 4 is 14. Match with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 plus 9 is 19. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. This is the way you will match the beads with the correct number. Okay, here what will you do in this exercise? I think you will do it yourself. Count and put circle around the correct number. Here you have to count the beads and circle around the correct number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So here is a 18. So circle around it. Rest of the two thing you have to do it by yourself. Again, exercise number 11, count and join with the correct number. You have to count the object and match with the correct numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you have to match with number 14 like this. So we have done a lot of exercise based on counting. So I hope you can do it yourself. So you have to count the objects by cutting each object and match with the correct numbers. Here you have to do the circle. Put a circle as per numbers. जो नंबर है उसके हिसाब से आपको सर्कल करने हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 15 है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, you have to make circle as per the given numbers. Look at the next page, page number 107, where you will find out count and put circle around the correct number. यहाँ पे आपको ऑब्जेक्ट को काउंट करना है और सर्कल करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 पे सर्कल किया. The similar way you have to complete the exercise, but make sure while you are counting the object you will not going to stop anywhere. You have to count continuously. रुके बगैर counting करना है and be confident to yourself. Okay. So this is the way you will complete the whole exercise. Now next number 14, count and write the correct number in the box. Here group of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 10 plus 6 is 16. 10 plus 8 is 18. So this way you will count and write down the number in the box. Okay, this is it for this session. Next time we will continue in this chapter. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoying learning from the lecture session. Goodbye.